the various component of Java architecture. One is Java programming language and class file, JVM, then Java application programming interface, or it is called the Java API. A Java program are saved with the extension of .java. Okay. तो जिते बेले हमें Java file टा store करिवा with the extension of .java file store करिवा. After compilation it is converted to the .class file. So this .class file contain the bytecode. So bytecode is nothing but it is called the 0 and 1. The JVM convert the bytecode. JVM is called the Java virtual machine or engine of Java, which is responsible to convert the bytecode into the machine code. Okay, so in the previous example we have seen that the first we have to store the file with the extension of .java, then it is converted to the bytecode. Bytecode means the Hindi language is converted to English. English now converted to the French, is converted to the Russian language. The JVM convert the bytecode contained in the .class file to the machine code at one go. So for that reason, JVM needs to be implemented for each platform running on the different operating system. So JVM must be installed in the different operating system. Right, fast architecture. Structure how the Java file is stored. First, Java file is stored. Then by using of Java compiler, it is converted to the what bytecode. Then bytecode is converted to the machine code by using of Java interpreter. So here, in this place, here it is used JIT compiler. Here it is used JIT compiler, which stands for just-in-time compiler. So it is called as the word just-in-time compiler. It is called as the just-in-time compiler. Okay. So just-in-time compiler is converted to the bytecode to the machine code. The just-in-time JIT is used. Okay. So JVM is called as the engine of Java. JVM form the base for the Java platform and it is convenient to use on various hardware-based platforms. The major component of JVM is what? First is class loader. Java is only loading the class which is required at runtime. Java is not loading the unnecessary classes. Like when you write here, when you write stdio.h, when you write stdio.h, then automatically your printf and scanf is loaded. So your requirement is what? Your requirement for display data. Okay, mate data ko display kariba ase. First of all, your requirement is what? Now you have to display the information. For display the information, we are using printf. Scanf is used, accept the input and store in the variable. But my requirement is not there for the scanf. So as I written stdio.h, automatically your printf and scanf is loaded. Okay, that means when you write a program to display statement by using of C program, so after writing the program in C, if your file size is 5 KB, after compilation it is 10 KB. Okay, if your Okay, so see that by writing the C program, when your file size is 5 KB, after compilation it is 10 KB for display text. The similar way, in the same cases, if you write in the Java program, if your file size is 5 KB, after compilation it is maybe this 7 KB. It is lesser than that of C program, because Java is only loading the particular class which is required at runtime. Okay, it is never changes. Okay. So that is for the class loader execution engine. The JVM is responsible for compiling your Java application to the byte code to the machine code. So all the thing is what look after by the JVM, and the work of just-in-time compiler is what it is converted the byte code to the machine code. Okay, for converting the byte code to the machine code, we're using GIT compiler. Okay, right. किसी दिन तुम्हें एडजस्ट करो Java architecture. Java application programming interface. The Java API is a collection of the software component that provide the capability such as the GUI application. Okay, the GUI it shows the graphical user interface. Okay, the related class and interface of the Java API grouped into the packages. So packages it is basically it is used to break the complete program into a smaller part. That is called the packages. That is a collection of the software component that provide the capability of such a GUI. For designing the graphical user interface, it providing the tools and component, and all the related things are grouped into the packages. तो हमें GUI application develop करिबा से गोटे application programming interface हमको provide कर. Java architecture security, one is compiler level security. Java prevent the error that arise due to the improper memory uses, reducing the compile time error. Typecasting in Java ensure that there is no data loss in the result or output of a Java. It means what? Suppose we are defining a variable int a, b, and c. If c is equals to, in a I store 10, in b I store 20, so c is equals to b by a. So it gives you result 2. If I write c is equals to a value is a 10, b value is a 3, and if I write a by b, so it gives the result like 3.33. Okay, so when you write, you are expecting which value? You are expecting 0.33 value. But as we written here int data type, it doesn't give this fractional value. It gives you the whole value. Means your point value is loss, but the point value play a very important role. Okay, while you are taking admission. Okay, or for any result, the point is playing very important. But here your point value is loss. Compiler level security is saying that at runtime, you can convert one data type to the another data type by using of typecasting. With the use of typecasting, we convert one data type to the another data type. And in bytecode verifier, what it shows, the bytecode is verified in the two phases. The first phase, the verifier checks the structure of the dot class file. The JVM is giving some kind of rules and regulation. By that rules and regulation, JVM ensure that your program is written correctly or not. It ensures that your program is written correctly or not. In second level phase occurs, the bytecode is run and bytecode verifier checks the validity of the class. In a class, we define some variable. In a class, we define some function. So it will check according to the JVM specification, your program is written correctly or not. So that is happen in the second level. Okay. So right, compiler level and bytecode level.